Hi friends, I am here back with another recipe in my Chop and Choose kitchen. One of my favorite dishes. It's known as Nei Karam Dosa. It is actually famous in Nellore, one of my native place actually. So now I would like to share all the details of this recipe today. To start with this, I have taken one bowl full of groundnuts. I have roasted this nicely till to this extent. We have to roast it and then we have to peel this off and keep it. We are going to make groundnut chutney first and then we will make karam chutney for this recipe. So please wait and watch. Now I have roasted the groundnuts and peeled off. Now for the groundnut chutney, I have taken groundnuts which is peeled and 4 to 5 coconut pieces. I have cut it and kept. 5 to 6 green chilies, 7 to 8 pods of garlic. Now this we have to grind it in a mixie jar. You have to put some salt in that and grind it, and then we will give a nice tarka after grinding the groundnut chutney. Now nicely we have to grind this into a fine paste. Water into this so that the chutney should not be very thick. It should be in semi state. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in this and then grind it nicely again. Now I have grinded this chutney, groundnut chutney. Look at this. It should not be too thick, not too thin. It should be in this consistency. So now we are going to give a tarka to this chutney. I have taken a kadai and taken 2 teaspoons of oil in that, and now I am going to give a tarka by adding mustard seeds and urad dal. After spluttering, I am adding curry leaves into that and some dried red chili which I have already taken it and kept. Now I am transferring this tarka into the chutney. My groundnut chutney is ready. For the karam dosa, groundnut chutney is ready. Now we will make the karam chutney, and for that the ingredients are dry red chilies. I'm not going to take round chilies because it will be very spicy. For those who prefer spicy can take those round chilies. I am taking now long chilies because it will be karam also and not so spicy also. So here I have taken long chilies and I have taken garlic without peeling. Whole garlic I have taken. Don't peel it off because for the chutney we have to add like this only. And I have taken 3 medium sized onions and some salt to go in taste for that. Now take a mixie jar and add the dry red chilies first first grind this to a nice powder. I mean, not so nice powder. Coarsely you grind it first by adding some salt in that. I have taken 1 tablespoon of salt. Now first grind this coarsely. Now I have grinded this coarsely. Look here. Now add the cut onions into that, and again you have to grind this. Don't make it into a fine paste. The chutney will not be good. Now look here. I have grinded this coarsely. This also after adding the onions. And now you have to add the garlic flake and the garlics which I have taken. I have washed and kept. Now add some water and again grind it. Now I have grinded this chutney. Look here how it is. I have added dry red chilies, onions 3, and then last I have added garlic, and then I have grinded it. Look at the garlic. You can see in that it should not be grinded it into a fine paste. Again I am telling you, it should not be grinded into a fine paste. Check it for seasoning. If the salt is not enough, then you can add salt. Now I am ready to make dosa. My chutneys are ready, groundnut chutney and the red karam chutney. For this we are going to use ghee, homemade. I have taken dosa batter. See the consistency. It should be like this. So now let's start making dosa. Now I have taken iron tawa because I don't prefer non-stick tawas. I have rubbed some ghee in that. Now put some ghee into that. If you use ghee in this, it will not be that much of spicy. You can use oil also, but that gives a difference actually. It's better to use ghee in this. I am applying this chutney onto that. If you want more spicy, those who prefer more spicy can add more chutney. Add this chutney. You can add this chutney also. This can be served like that itself. This doesn't need sambar or any other thing. And again, put some ghee on top of that. See my dosa. This is red karam dosa. This is Andhra special, Nellore special actually. For this for some time. Now the dosa has been cooked very well. Look at my dosa. It has come out very well. And the taste also will be very good. Look, my dosas have become ready. How crispy it is and spicy also. We can serve with the same chutney that we have grinded. you can eat like that itself, no problem. But some people like again chutney while eating dosas. So now my dosas are ready for serving. Yummy, spicy dosa. Please do try it at home. Like me, share me, subscribe me.